Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone Bluetooth setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you pair guys your Bluetooth earbuds. Guys you have your Bluetooth earbuds and guys you have guys your Bluetooth earbuds and guys you want to pair with your Samsung phone, so guys you can pair it. And guys now let's see how to pair. So first of all guys we will have to come in our guys phone setting to pair it. So guys we will on it our phone setting and guys we will click on connection settings and guys we will click on your Bluetooth setting. And guys I have taken already guys this earbud out. Then guys I will on my Bluetooth setting and guys I will refresh my Bluetooth setting. Then guys you can see guys your earbud name. So guys I have guys this ptron company earbud, so I will tap here to pair it my earbud. Then guys you can see Bluetooth pairing request, pair with ptron TWS, cancel and pair. So friends, yes you want to pair, yes we want to pair, we want to use our Bluetooth earbud. So as you can see guys your Bluetooth earbud will pair. And guys you can use it while watching movies, listening song, cartoons, whatever you want. Guys you can watch with your earbuds and guys you can use it your Bluetooth earbuds. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye.